Hey guys, Grant with Nicks Handmade Boots. Today we're going to be talking about the top 3 tips for weekly boot maintenance. First, fire up the compressor. Take an air hose to your boots. You'd be amazed at how much dust and dirt get infused with the leather, especially rough out. Take an air compressor and a nozzle and blow all of that dirt and dust off of your boots. Number 2, nylon brush. Get your laces out of the boots, get your false tongues out of the boots. If they're in there, you're going to see all kinds of grime in there. Take your nylon brush, a good nylon brush, and scrub as much as you can. You want to get as much of the dirt and grime that's in the leather out with the nylon brush. Number 3, grease or oil. Don't go crazy with this stuff. This is your weekly maintenance routine. Just apply the grease or the oil where you need it. If there's a particular spot on your boot, maybe up here on the crease where you're seeing that it's getting a little bit dry or a little cracked, go ahead and apply that grease with your hand and rub it on there. You should not be applying grease or oil every single week to your boots. That's probably too much. That might be something that you want to do once a month or every other month. We always say do it as needed. But for a weekly routine, find the spots that look a little dry and do some isolated rubbing on those areas to make sure that they're preserved. If you have any other tips that you've worked into your weekly boot care regimen, go ahead and share in the comments. If you liked this video or found it helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.